What's up, guys? So today we're gonna do something fun. So here's the plan. Let's learn how to make a dreadlock accessory with the Jamaican flag theme, get someone to sell it to, and follow them to their saloonist. Get to see how it looks once it's put onto their dreadlocks. Deal? The materials you'll require are 0.30 millimeters fishing line, a nail cutter or a pair of scissors, beads which are based on the Jamaican flag colors, which are black, yellow and green, and kindly let us know in the comments section down below if you know what those colors mean, and if you loved what you've seen so far, kindly tap the like button to appreciate the creativity that went into producing this video, and also subscribe if you haven't. On to step 1. You cut the fishing line to approximately 15 inches of length, or a length you're relatively comfortable with, and begin by picking 3 green beads and crisscrossing on the 4th one. The next step is to make sure your fishing line is balanced. This video tutorial is meant for someone with at least a bit of knowledge in beading and mixing colors. And if it's your first time here and you want to make this, you can slow down the video, or alternatively watch and practice from our previous video tutorials on beading, so that you have a bit of experience before starting this one. The pattern we are using is the same one we've been doing on most of our tutorials. I believe by now most of you have learnt it, and if you're new here and would like to learn, you can watch more tutorials on our playlists. Just check on our playlists on our videos. You'll see we have a bunch of tutorials where you can be able to start and follow if you're a beginner. For today, we'll be working on our ability to mix colors and come up with the Jamaican flag pattern that happens to have a very unique and beautiful color combination. By making these accessories for dreadlocks, you can sell them and make some extra money just from doing what you love. The skills that you learn on this channel might be very helpful, mostly to the young people that I meet on a regular basis. You don't need a lot of money to start making or doing beadwork, and with some patience and practice, you can be able to make and sell your bead art and earn yourself some extra cash. This is what some kids that I know do during their vacation, and also part of what inspired me to start these free classes here on YouTube, so that you and they can learn some different patterns, market and sell them to their friends, family and potential clients, and gain some extra money which they can use as pocket money when they go back to school. This ability to earn some small money from art is helping revive and bring back different forms of art that were slowly being forgotten. It's also helping improve the creativity among the young guys, which in return keeps them busy and helps them avoid several vices that they would have been involved in if their minds weren't engaged with art. You can also let us know on the comment section down below how art has helped you personally or how you have seen it help someone else. Also, kindly don't forget to tap the like button, for it means this video will be suggested by YouTube to more people, and by simply tapping on the like button, you will have helped get this content out to more people. A big thanks to all of you who have been appreciating our work. Through your comments, suggestions, and requests, we have really been able to grow and improve, and we really urge you to keep those comments coming, for they have helped to the growth of this channel. If the pandemic has taught us anything, and the way the world is at the moment, we have learned that life is quite unpredictable. And I personally believe that it's good to try out new skills, for life is short and you never know how big something could turn out to be without trying it out. A good example is this channel. When I was starting it, I just wanted to have somewhere I could record and pass down the information and tips that I have learnt and practiced for over the past 5 years, not thinking that it will be of interest to as many people as I have seen who have in just 6 months surpassed 1,000 subscribers, and a lot of testimonials on success stories from people all over the world. That gives me a lot of encouraging feedback on the comments section. Some people were inspired to start beading and even managed to make their products and sell them. If you would have told me this 6 months ago, I wouldn't have believed you. But here we are now, growing bigger every day. This example just goes to show you that you too can try out what you have always wanted to do, be it in art, music, anything. Just don't let your fears overwhelm you and start what you want to start. Okay, enough inspiration for today. As you can see, the dreadlock accessory is ready. Let's go deliver it to our client and have a sneak peek on how they put it on and how they finally look. I hope you learned a thing or two about beading, and if you managed to make the Jamaican beaded accessory, you can let us know in the comment section. Most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe, for I am so curious and excited to see the progress of this channel and to seeing more and more testimonials on how our tutorials are helping you grow. If you made it this far, please leave a heart in the comment section. This way I'll know that you made it to the end, and thanks a lot for being part of this journey. Don't forget to tap that like button. Be blessed. See you on our next video.